Hey guys, so today I am going to be filming what am I filming? I'm filming a Dollartree makeup look. So I bought some items from Dollartree and I'm gonna try to put it into a look. Hopefully it comes together, you know. But there's certain items I'm just kind of scared to use just because I'm like, but I have faith in myself, so stay tuned. And for the most part, I haven't even used these products. Some of the brands that I have tested before, but yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so first is first, I'm just gonna take this simple what's it called again, makeup remover wipe, and just clean my face. Start by doing that to get any oil and dust and other stuff off of my face. Did I say dust? I meant dirt, but same thing. Okay, all done. When I do my makeup, the first thing I start off with is eyebrow. Now, when I was in Dollar Tree, I couldn't find anything to use on my eyebrow. But I decided that I'm just gonna use my beauty supply store $1.99 Nika K eyebrow pencil. I mean, it's not Anastasia or Anastasia Beverly Hills, so why not, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna start off with this. Yes, so I just filled in my brows, as you can see. I'm kind of unsure if I want to clean them up with concealer. I don't even feel like it's really necessary, to be honest. But I don't really want to ruin it with whatever the foolishness I bought. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna try to do it. So I have this liquid foundation by LA Colors in tan. I know I'm not tan, but I was hoping I could use this as a concealer. And I also bought an e.l.f. concealer in beige. I know I'm not this color, but I was going to use this as an actual primer. So we're just going to go with the flow and just make things work, or try to attempt to make things work. Okay? So I haven't even tried LA Colors before. I've used LA Girl, but not LA Colors before. So I'm just going to put some on my hand. Oh, this is a good concealer color, I think. You can see it. Now is the moment of truth when I put it underneath my eyes. So I don't know how you guys do this because like, it's just off. So all I'm doing is cleaning up under my eyebrows and, you know, just making it look neat. I think it was a foundation. This foundation wasn't too bad actually. So I bought this beauty blender. It was tough like a freaking piece of hard bread. So I was gonna use this foundation, this moisturizing foundation by Sassy Chic, and also the concealer I used on my face. And I'm gonna be using this little thing as a little primer for my eyes. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking this little unpigmented eyeshadow palette by LA Colors, and when I say unpigmented, I mean there is no pigmentation in this little full palette. Why? My eye them look bad. Stay tuned. Poor me. Poor me. I don't even know why I'm pointing to the colors, because there's no color payoff on my eye. Doesn't matter if I use white, brown, or black. There would be no pigmentation on my eye. Poor me. Someone please tell me where the color payoff is, because I don't see it. And I know I'm using expensive brushes on my eye, and I don't even see not one shade of nothing on my eye. Poor me, I'm trying to put little eyeliner on my eye to make my eye look, you know, little presentable. When I tell you my eyelids look bad, not even that it looked bad, it looked like I just didn't put anything. That was a waste of $1.25, if I'm being honest. For me. So here comes the foundation. Ooh, this moisturizing foundation by Sassy Chic. Never used it yet. But this was the darkest color that they had, darkest shade. Oops. Whoops. I got a little bit ahead of myself.
Mother Mary.
So I'm just blending it in. Well, not blending it. I'm trying to move around the color so it can get around my face before I blend it in. I look like a duppy, to be honest. But you couldn't tell me that. Are you dumb? That's Toronto slang. For all my people who aren't from Toronto. So at this point, I was going to mix that foundation with the other foundation that I had. Don't ask me why, because I don't remember. But yeah, we're just trying to make everything just, you know, gossa. And I'm going to use this tough beauty blender to try to blend out everything. I swear to you, I felt like I was punching my face. It was coming like my face coming like one punching bag. And now I'm using one of the colors to conceal underneath my eyes. But to contour the nose too. I don't do that on the regular, so you know, this is prime time. Yeah, I'm just blending that in as much as I can. Let me tell you something, this beauty blender doesn't even retain water. I put water in my beauty blender, 30 seconds later, gone. I don't know where it went, but boy, can't retain nothing. Couldn't even help Noah's Ark if Noah needed help. Okay, so now I'm using something to little brighten up my underneath my eyes. Honestly, actually, I don't even know if it worked, but and now I'm contouring. I'm using one of the little shades in the Fufu eyeshadow palette. Luckily for me, my face is kind of chiseled and it already has like a natural, you know, chiseled look, so I don't really have to put too much. I look a highlighter on my face, or maybe that was blush, one or the other. I'm using this e.l.f. lip liner duo thing, and I don't know what I was doing, and you'll see why I'm saying I don't know what I was doing. I don't know why I'm putting this little white foolishness around my lip corner. Right? Like, what are you doing? And then now I'm taking this red thing that came with it on the other side, which made me just look dumb. I think, no, I'm using my lip liner, my brown lip liner, to add some color to it. And now I'm putting the lip gloss because it just wasn't working.
So hey guys, I'm back at it again. I'm doing a different lighting so you can see my makeup a little bit better than last time. To conclude, I don't think my makeup looks bad, but it doesn't look the greatest. But yeah, I just put a little, let me zoom in. I just put a little mascara on my eyes. I was going to put these lashes that I got from AliExpress on, but I'm not doing it because I actually like these lashes. I'm not wasting it on this face. Nope, natural B, I ain't going nowhere with this look. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. Make sure you thumbs up this video. I plan on making more of these videos, Dollarama, I already did Dollar Tree, beauty supply store. Plan on making a few of them. So yeah, thanks for watching.